Welcome to day 12 of your 14-day meditation guide for beginners. My name is Sofie, and it's an honor to guide you through this meditation today. Whenever you're ready, start to get yourself in a comfortable position, lowering your shoulders, relaxing the face, relaxing the jaw, getting your spine nice and straight, and closing your eyes. Today's meditation is focusing on self-love, focusing on developing a strong sense of self and self-admiration. This is not selfish and is not conceited, rather is the purest form of love that we can give, giving it to ourselves so we can then extend it to others. Loving ourselves seems like a challenge sometimes, but with this meditation, it'll become easier and easier the more that you do it. Now, with that said, let's get started. We will be using affirmations, so you can say them either in your head or out loud, but repeating after me after every phrase. I love myself. I love connecting to my energy. I have all it takes. I am worthy. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of self-love. I am beautiful. I love my body. I love my hair. I love even the parts of me that I deem unlovable. I love it all because it's me. I love my brain. I love the way I come up with ideas. I love how I think. I am open to new ideas and new perspectives. I love myself. I love my abilities. I love how I have so many skills. I have so many unique qualities. I love those about me. I love how I am able to go about life. I love my strength. I love how compassionate I am. I love how forgiving I am towards others and towards myself, at least in my heart space. I release all of the negative self-talk. I release all of the limiting beliefs. I release the pain that's locked away in my heart. I release the bad memories. I know that everything that I've experienced in life has made me the person that I am today. I am constantly growing. I am constantly evolving. Each day, I love myself more. Each day, I see my capabilities expand. I love how I am loving. I am kind. I love my connection to animals and to nature. I love being me. Those who couldn't see my worth are released from my heart space now. I know my worth. I am worthy. I am so worthy. Worthy of my dream job. Worthy of my dream romance. Worthy of loving people around me. I am worthy of it all. I know my worth, and because of this, people around me start to notice my worth as well. I become more radiant by the second. I am a shining star. I am so thankful for my gifts and abilities. I have skills that I have yet to discover. I love myself. I love giving myself self-love through meditation. It makes me feel confident, positive, and abundant. The more that I do it, the easier it becomes. I am abundant. I am loved. I am cherished. There are so many things about me to love. I am an addition to every conversation. I am an addition in people's life. I release the idea of being a burden. People love my presence. I make their days better. I am a ray of light for people. I am a beacon of hope. My strength and my story inspires. I know that all that I went through was for a reason. Although I may not have seen it at the time, I understand now that it was to make me my highest self. The highest version of myself that I am now becoming, little by little. Day by day, I am better. Day by day, I love myself even more. day by day, I am exactly who I want to be. I'm so thankful for myself. I'm so thankful for my lessons. I'm so thankful. And now, whenever you're ready, you can start to come back to your body, moving your hands and your feet, and slowly opening your eyes. I thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you here again. If not, I hope to see you back tomorrow. Thank you once again. Namaste.